How do you generate dynamic, parameterized unit tests in Python? I have some kind of test data and want to create a unit test for each item. My first idea was to do it like this. The downside of this is that it handles all data in one test. I would like to generate one test for each item on the fly. Any suggestions?
This is called parameterization. There are several tools that support this approach, e.g., PyTest's decorator, parameterized. The resulting code looks like this. Which will generate the tests. For historical reasons, I leave the original answer circa 2008. I use something like this.
Using Unitest since 3.4. Since Python 3.4, the standard library Unitest package has the subtest context manager. See the documentation. 26.4.7. Distinguishing test iterations using subtests. Subtest. Example. You can also specify a custom message and parameter values to subtest. Using Nose. The Nose testing framework supports this. Example, the code below is the entire contents of the file containing the test. The output of the Nose tests command.
This can be solved elegantly using meta-classes.
As of Python 3.4, subtests have been introduced to Unitest for this purpose. See the documentation for details. TestCase.subtest is a context manager which allows one to isolate asserts in a test so that a failure will be reported with parameter information, but it does not stop the test execution. Here's the example from the documentation. The output of a test run would be This is also part of Unitest 2, so it is available for earlier versions of Python.
Load_tests is a little-known mechanism introduced in 2.7 to dynamically create a test suite. With it, you can easily create parameterized tests. For example, that code will run all the test cases in the test suite returned by load_tests. No other tests are automatically run by the discovery mechanism. Alternatively, you can also use inheritance as shown in this ticket. This URL